na! Kapatid lang ako!
Mas pinainit.
Wala siyang kwenta ka pa!
At mas pag-uusapan.
Nahuli ko ang boyfriend ko at ang ate ko sa kwarto!
Mga sikretong dito mo lang mapapakinggan. Top Secrets. Top Secrets. Top Secrets. Top Secrets.
Hi Kabisyo! We're back! Kasama niyo pa rin si DJ Rocky at eto ang Top Secrets. And we have a caller on the line. Hello, Emma of Malabon.
Hello.
Ayan, ikaw ba'y nakapagbanyo na? Medyo nakasinga ka na ba ng iyong sipon? Medyo nakapunas na ba ng luha?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ayan. So Emma, kanina pinaredy na kita, pinaghanda na kita ng iyong mga mensahe. So sino yung gusto mong bigyan muna ng mensahe?
Sorry, nakat yung line.
Sino?
Sorry, nakat ko na wala na puput.
Emma, hello?
Yeah, hello?
Ayan. Nasa tamang pwesto ka ba? Yung kanina ba yung pwesto mo na yan? O nag-iba ka ng pwesto? Okay. Sino yung unang gusto mong bigyan ng mensahe? Yung partner mo?
Children ko.
Yung alin?
Yung...
Hello, Emma?
Yeah, my partner.
Yung partner mo, current partner mo. Sige, go ahead, Emma.
I'm so sorry. If I could just turn back the time, I would not let myself be in that position. Just thank you for everything. And I'm so sorry for all the things that I done. Alam ko hindi mo deserve. But I thank you for still being there for me despite the fact that I'm not that keen. I just don't know how to fix things with you. But I hope and I pray that you'll find in your heart to forgive me. Pero kung hindi, I would accept it as a consequence to everything. Everything that I did to us, to our family. I just wish talaga in this lifetime na hindi ko siya nawa sa'yo. But I believe God's plan, whatever it may be with you. I shall continue this journey. Or it may be somebody else. I don't know. But I'm just praying that everything will be okay between us. At the end of the day, it's just me. It's not you. Yun lang po.
Alright. Ngayon naman, yung mensahe mo para sa iyong lulubog lilitaw na ex. Na hindi mo pa sure kung boyfriend mo pa rin o ex na ba talaga. Kasi may tendency kang rumupok talaga. Okay. Go ahead, Emma.
Hi. I just thank you. I guess for letting me feel that kind of love. It may be. I was thinking before, right person, wrong time. Pero na-realize ko, there's no such thing as that. Kasi, I really gambled. I mean, put myself out there for you. Took a chance with you. Believed in you. But when I realized at the end of the day, you weren't really that honest to me. I just hope, though I miss you so much, I just hope that I'll get soon, that soon I'll get over you. I just hope that you also realize the things that you've done, that you have to stop playing around and realize all the pain that you've caused, not just to me, but to all the girls, all the women that you tried to love and accepted you. I know you're a good man, but you could be a better man. Yun lang, sana ako yun. Pero hindi ko na pwedeng hingin na ganun. Kasi hindi na yun yung meron tayo. At hindi na rin yun yung totoo. Thank you na lang. Kasi it was one of the best feelings that I felt for so many years. I just wish you success and happiness. Yun lang. Yoko na.
Ngayon naman,
Wait lang.
tuloy-tuloy na
Meron
natin
pa
to.
last.
Meron pa isa. Anak
Meron
mo.
pa, sorry last.
Mga anak mo.
Sorry, Bags.
Go.
Mga anak ko, sa ex ko. F you ka. Visit ka. Sa mga anak ko, I'm so sorry. You know, I've done a lot of mistakes. This is not something that I'm proud of, and don't want you to know what. At the end of the day, I'm not a bad person. This is just me battling with my own inner demons, inner child, I guess, my traumas. But it doesn't mean that I don't love you and I won't do anything for you guys. That's why I'm willing to let go of the things. All the things that can cause you pain. Because I love you so much and I'm willing to take that. Because I just wish that you would not feel the same way. You don't feel this pain. Because it's unbearable, especially when you don't know who to talk to. When ikaw lang, mag-isa. Sa gabi, umiiyak habang kayo natutulog. Pero si mama, mahal na mahal kayo. Lahat gagawin para sa inyo. Magpapakabuti ako kasi gusto ko maging mabuting tao din kayo. Yun lang.
Hello?
Yeah.
Gumaan ba kahit paano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Yes. Kumaan. Pero naging heavy lang yung ilong ko.
Ramdam nga namin. Parang konti na lang sisingutin mo na kami ng buo eh.
Oh, pasensya na.
Ay nako Emma, alam ko at alam namin na alam mo naman kung anong gagawin mo. Nandun ka na lang sa execution part eh. Di ba parang ideally, alam na natin kung anong gagawin natin. Alam naman natin eh, through our common sense, kung anong tama't mali.
Yeah. Yes.
It's just that yung emotion natin, dinadaig tayo eh. And at the same time, we pictured out something in our heads with someone na hindi naman in the very beginning atin. Or baka totoo naman talaga yung naging inyo o naging iyo, pero hindi siya naging consistent na naging iyo.
Yun nga eh. You know what, DJ Rocky? I was researching. Alam ko naman, tama, all along, that he was a red flag. And a lot of things, hindi ko talaga gusto. I think what I went through was a limerence. It's like an addiction to someone So I think because may mga childhood trauma ako, yun. So ang siya yung pinakahirap na i-let go. Pero totoo, tama yun. You know what to. I know. Pero ang hirap lang talaga niyang i-execute. Kasi ang sarap sa feeling eh, na binibigay. Yun naman. Totoo talaga nandun ka na sa worldly things, worldly experiences. Pag wala na si Lord. Talaga. Pero kung si Jesus, that's what I wanted to experience. To let Jesus fill my life so that I don't have to look for somebody else to fill it for me.
Alam mo,
kaya lagi ako nanonood ng mga TikTok, ganyan.
Oo, alam mo, tulungan mo yung sarili mo. Ikaw lang ang makakatulong sa sarili mo. Tsaka, pwedeng magtunog ako dito na parang churchy or parang sobrang religious. Pero, yung sinasabi mo na kapag nilagay mo si Lord sa puso mo, na parang naligaw ka ng landas, pag binalik mo siya ulit sa iyo, ewan ko lang kung anong klaseng hagulgul yung ihahagulgul mo. Yayakapin ka niya ng sobrang higpit na parang welcome back, anak. Inaantay ka lang niya na yumakap sa kanya kasi yayakapin ka niya kahit hindi ka pa nga yumayakap sa kanya. Inaantay ka lang niya, girl. Alam kong alam mo na meron talagang mali dito sa mga desisyon mo sa buhay. And you are not your mistakes. You can always grow from your mistakes. You can be a bigger person here. You can always choose the right thing. Kayang-kaya mong mag-bounce back. Kung naligaw ka dati, pwede kang dumaan sa tamang daanan. At kailangan natin paminsan ng tulong. At itong tulong na to ay manggagaling sa Panginoon. 'Di ba kapag tayo naliligaw tayo sa isang lugar, anong ginagamit natin? 'Di ba nagwe-waze tayo, nagma-maps tayo? And it's like us in life. Pag naliligaw tayo ng daan, sinong hihingan natin ng tulong? Who do we seek? Who do we ask? Is it the people around us? Na pwede din tayong iligaw sa kung saan? Pwede naman eh, kung tutuusin. Pero kung gusto mo ng tamang direksyon, you seek God, you ask Him for directions. And He will lead you to the right path.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you also. You're not your mistakes, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you also. I hope nakapagpagaan kami ng nararamdaman mo ngayon. Top Secret Caller, Emma of Malabon. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Have a good night at sana this time makatulog ka ng mahimbing. Yung masarap, yung nananabik sa Panginoon, nananabik sa tunay at totoong klase ng pagmamahal. Not the pirated version of love, but the true kind of love that is peaceful and consistent. Alright?
Thank you.
Thank you also. Thank you so much. Ingat ka, Emma. Bye. Ay. Hindi po ako nanigaw, ha? Hindi rin ako naghurimentado. Hindi rin ako naasar. Although, nalulungkot ako at nasasaktan ako para sa mga pamilyang nasisira dahil sa irresponsableng desisyon ng isang miyembro ng pamilya, especially an adult, especially a parent. Kasi bakit naman kayo gagawa-gawa ng bata kung hindi nyo naman kayang bigyan ng masayang pamilya at healthy na pamilya yung bata? Diba? Sana wag na lang. Hindi naman gugustuhin ng bata na lumaki siya na ang toxic ng pamilya niya, diba? So sana wag na lang kayong maganak ng ganun. Pero wala eh. Minsan talaga sa buhay natin, maliligaw tayo ng landas. Meron tayong mga desisyon at aksyon sa buhay na hindi natin nakalaing magagawa natin o hindi natin nakalaing mapupuntahan natin. Maligaw man tayo, ang mahalaga dito malaman natin yung tamang direksyon at mapuntahan pa rin natin yung destinasyon natin. And it is our journey that makes our lives so beautiful. Kahit gaano pa katagal, kahit gaano pa kabagal, kahit gaano pa kabato, o kahit gaano pa kadaming road bumps on the way, the important thing is we strive to be better and to get to our destination. And that is the beauty of life. It's the journey. What a journey! So, ikaw kabisyo na nakikinig ngayon na may mabigat na pinagdaraanan, huwag kang mag-alala. Huwag kang mag-alala. It's only a season. It's not forever. Sa mga kabisyo natin na gusto mag-share ng kanilang top secrets, bukas, meron pa naman tayo. Pero bukas sana puro SPG lang mga top secrets natin. Kumbaga, yung mga rated. Pag ganung usapan, buhay na naman yung mga dugo nung iba dyan eh, diba? Lalong-lalo na yung mga ma-EL. As in, malalambing. So, kabisyo, share your top secrets. Alam nyo naman kung anong number ko. And just in case hindi mo alam yung number ko, bukas ko na lang i-announce yan kasi matutulog na ako, babiyahin na ako pa uwi, okay? And that's it for today's radyo. Inabutan na naman po tayo ng 12 o'clock, 12:03 to be exact in our clock. O diba? Feeling ko talaga sa susunod, aabot na tayo ng mga alas 3 ng madaling araw. O baka magpang-abot na tayo nila Tanya Chinita at saka ni Uncle Dagol, diba? As in, dito na talaga, 24/7 na ako dito sa Love Radio. Ganun ako ka-dedicated sa pagtatrabaho. Wala na akong personal life, social life, lahat. Ganun. Uy, wag naman, diba? Anyway, yeah, kabisyo, I gotta say, GTG as in got to go. Have a blessed day. Nakapiling ninyo ang inyong Basta Princess, ang tagapagsiwala at tagapagprotekta ng iyong pinakatatagong sikreto. Your secrets are safe with me. DJ Rocky Terra. At ikay nakatutok dito sa 90.7 Love Radio. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic. Bye-bye. Good night, kabisyo.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!